have a pencil.
Hello friends, today we will learn some basic addition. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6.
Thanks for watching my video.